This is the Harman Kardon Aura Studio 5, where art, light, and acoustics converge to create a 360-degree masterpiece. Sculpted like a piece of modern art, the Aura Studio 5 is more than a speaker, it's a statement. Its iconic dome shape returns, now enhanced with ambient illumination that dances to your mood. Elegant, minimal, captivating from every angle. This time, Harman Kardon brings light to life. Choose from 5 nature-inspired themes: the glow of a campfire, the serenity of cherry blossoms, the vastness of a galaxy, the warmth of a harvest, or the calm of ripples. Each transforms your space into a living, breathing atmosphere of sound and color. Beneath the surface lies a symphony of precision: 6 mid-range drivers, a 25mm tweeter, and a powerful subwoofer. Together, they deliver 160 watts of pure audio immersion. With constant sound field technology, every note radiates evenly, 360 degrees of crystal clear sound that envelops you from every side. The Aura Studio 5 connects effortlessly through Bluetooth 5.4 for uninterrupted streaming. Customize lighting, fine-tune your sound, and pair 2 speakers for true stereo separation, all from the Harman Kardon One app. Because your sound should be as unique as your space. Designed with purpose and precision, it's as functional as it is beautiful. A discreet 3.5mm aux-in for wired connections, a weight of 4.2 kilograms that anchors its presence, and a compact profile that fits seamlessly into any room, from modern lofts to cozy studios. Launching November 15, 2025 in Japan, the Aura Studio 5 sets a new standard for design-driven sound. Priced at 46,200 yen, or around $320, this speaker redefines what wireless elegance sounds like.